opening another L.O.L. But it's a present. See, it says present. It's a present surprise. I open it. I have 8 surprises in here.
This is called L.O.L.
This is called L.O.L. Surprise Present Surprise.
Okay, let's find out.
Yeah. Let's open it. Oh. Look what's inside. Stickers. A lot of stuff. Look, it says s'mores and hot chocolate. It says s'mores and hot chocolate.
So what's that mean?
Maybe it's like camping.
That's from camping?
Yeah. Number 1 is this. It's some kind of like watering can. Watering can. Number 2. What's number 2? Watering can. Number 2 is watering can. Number 3 will be the bottle. It's recycling.
You put it there?
Now is the number. This is the number 3.
Okay. Number 4.
Number 4. This. What's here? A shovel.
Shovel?
Yeah.
Is this for gardening?
Yeah. Shovel. Number 5 is the shoes.
Okay.
6. What is it? Number 6. Oh! Look, what is it?
Dana.
Now,
Where?
now the 8th one. The 7th.
Okay.
Let's open it. The clothes.
Okay.
7 is the clothes.
Okay.
Stop!
Number 8 is?
Naked! Let's change. I wonder who I got.
Okay. Let me see. Show me.
I think it's this girl. Because it has a hat.
Okay, let's dress them up. It's bandana. And then you put on the dress.
Yeah, but she has to stop splitting.
Splitting.
Yes, she was splitting.
Okay. You're dressing her up.
I'll put this.
Put a skirt on.
Grow
girl. Grow
Girl.
girl. Okay. So what's that mean, grow girl?
I think
Instead of
that,
gardening?
yeah, that's what she has. Mine, help me.
Okay.
Naked.
So this is grow girl.
Yep.
You
Grow
got what?
girl.
Shovel and the...
Watering can. Mommy, help me. Where did you? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you for the next one. That's my water can.
Say bye.